Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. You guys are currently just paying for this slope right here. However, there is wind damage on the left elevation as well that you guys will see in our photos. But this is where I'm going to start. So as you can see, this is wind damage right here. So what I've got to do is I've got to unseal the shingles right here, on top of there, and then on top of there to get this one shingle out. So I'm going to start with my insurance improved roof snake, which is what this is right here. I'm going to go underneath to unseal. Alright, and so this is telling me this is where this is going to start. Alright, so this is the 3 tab, so it ends right there. I gotta get these unsealed as well. Alright, now that I got that done, these are the nails that I gotta get out. And then right there as well. So I'm gonna go underneath. Alright, as you can see, it has completely gone through and even cut this part right here. There's another nail right there. And as you can see, it's completely cut that. Alright, I gotta get this nail out and that nail out. I'm gonna leave this right here. You guys want to take a closer look at that. So now this shingle would have to be replaced as well. You can see how that just all crumbled. This nail right here. So this is the shingle that we were taking out. In the process, it has damaged 2 shingles instead of just this one. This roof is not repairable. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to you guys and get this tarped.